ndị obi agụ agụ Senator distinguished my day onwuhozi ka si fụ mmadụ karịa agụ onye so agụ wee jee ụzọ agụ adị agụ a ya ka nọ n'ibe maka onwe ebe anyị ejesi anyị bụ ndị ọdụ ọma oteghị anyị nọ n'ije ahụ a on the 13th of May ka ọ ga-abụ 46 years ọdụ ọma nọ n'ife so na o bido tata bụ okwu Anioma ọ bụ ọzọ ka anyị kọba the story na ife anyị ekwuzi ọgwụ success story ya ka nọ n'ime nwakpọ nnata okwu Ike steeti anyị etinye isi ọ nakata ọda mmiri mana nke anyị n'ọwọ amadazi mmiri anyị ekwu okwu Anioma anyị je ga-abụ ndị Anioma na-asụ na anyị ga-abụ Anioma bido Anioma state movement o mesie ndị soja abịa anyị nwazi ike ga-emedo a mana anyị eme ife Anioma enweghị afa on 1989 ka formal declaration was made oge ogbe ha ji bụ gọvanọ ka the presentation to the Bende state government December 13th. We have us go and popularize it. That was the language. Manatata, and in charge is happy. Now for Anioma they got gazetted.
Of course.
Na nye bundi Anioma. Ndị ufesi ndị be anyị. Mbosi wa made the declaration. If anyị kwubu na Anioma bụ the version of our own Igbo language. Ya bụ ife dị anyị. Anioma, our Igbo version of language. So na ụmụ oge Anioma dị egbe ọsọ na ya bụ ndị Igbo. Nwana akpọ anyị ka ndị Igbo, Ika Igbo, Bendel Igbo, ụmụ onye gba ọsọ, Delta Igbo, Bendel Igbo, ụmụ onye ju anyị. Oge ndị Igbo ji wee ju Igbo were Igbo tinye n'azụ sịsọ anyị aza Igbo Nwekebe steeti okwu echenji ya na Nigeria mbụ ife onye Igbo isi onye ka ịbụ ọsị na ya bụ onye Igbo tupu o ji ga-agwa anyị na ya bụ onye nde mmiri ọ na ya bụ onye Ọnịcha maọbụ na ya bụ onye Mkpọ mana Nwekebe steeti ifuzi onye Igbo si onye ka ịbụ ọsị na ya bụ onye Anambra Igbo adịza behind and ya ka nwa Zakebe ọ bụla isusu anyị na-aza Ika Igbo Midwest Igbo anyị bụ ndị ka retain Igbo language Igbo identity na Nigeria. This is Shobanka and ya ka anyị na-arịọ n'ime na ndị ọbụla asị na ya abụghị ndị Igbo onye amaghọ ife Igbo bụ maka ụmụ ha oge ndị Igbo ji wee nụba ọgụ babịaga katu akada anyị iwe anyị abasụbaza Igbo. No, there was no time like that. Onye ọbụla jee into history mana anyị abịa itinye isi n'ime Igbo ofu onye n'ebe bụ onye volunteer onye do senator, distinguished senator na be ka nọ mee meeting ba họpụta ambassador Nwoko to be the president general of Ohaneze ndị Igbo. Ije n'Igbo Ohaneze constitution, Anioma be recognized as a state.
Of course. Yes.
And yet, but the presidency Jilueni, yet, but the secretary general Jilueni, in the person of Achuzia, Colonel Achuzia. So no one who can in the body so. If I knew in Naketabo, now the constitution of Ohaneze, Nanibo state, Naketabo, called is officially known by the federal government, called it gazetted by the federal government. Can you believe the 6th state? Na Igbo nation. Yeah, before na nina now. And Chukwu na-enyela anyị aka. Ise. Anyị ejego ọgụ. Oge Obasanjo ji si na ya jege create only one state in this country. And ọ ga-abụ the 6th state in Igbo for Igbos. Ohaneze ndị Igbo abanwe State Creation Committee headed by Chief Emmanuel Iwanyam and not Anioma traditional rulers and leaders of thought. No, Ohaneze ndị Igbo Anioma chapter about organizing when Babulu member of that State Creation Committee. The climax Abulu on the 17th of March 2006 na Imo Government House. Can the stakeholders issue to conclude the creation of an additional state in the East? Then a delegate advisory sent to this Abuja as you are now coming. Mbosio Kwame if any funemi. Because of thought ten deed. Anye hulum mili na mwandu diane.
Ufo. Chai.
Ya kano. Mananke. Wage hu huzimili. So chuku no nyale onye obuna. Kani ha no nebe. Kani no nuno. Onwe hu onye Anioma na nyija this referendum. Getinye aka na no ya choho. Olwe ani Anioma egbu onyo. Ise. So ni fa nyu na wo ni me egba anwole. Anyị si ebe ahụ ka ga-ejiwe na n'ụlọ.
Ise.
Je ga-agwa ndị be anyị nwa kwadebekwa n'ụkọ atụ akwụkwọ. So na anyị na-ekene na ngini bụ isi dọkpụ ntị. Anyị ga-adị, anyị ga-esokebe yi wee bịa na nye nweta. So Chukwu nna bụ ndị ọbụla ọbụla. Agụ.
They will say, let's call a spade. After listening to that man, you will come to agree with me that any Anioma sons and daughters who is not supporting Anioma state is a political tool. He's doing it for his selfish interest. And I can tell you, 90% of those who are not in support of Anioma state are doing it because of politics. The Okowa boys, Okowa interest, and Okowa fractions in APC. Exactly what is playing out. I go live for you. Look at that man, 46 years. All of them that are on social media talking all these things have not studied their history to know that these people have been fighting for this, him particularly, for 46 years. 46 years. And they're full of 40s, they're full forever. And somebody has chased something for 46 years. And you're here trying to use politics and ignorant history towards the effort that people have been putting in place to save me and you, because they are not saving only themselves. Some people have died on the course of making Anioma to be a reality. So today you are now accusing Ned Nwoko. He is doing it because he wants to sell Anioma. He is doing it because he wants to be a governor. All the ones that have been doing it before Ned Nwoko emerged as a senator. What are we doing it for? All the people, Sonny Odogudem, the former Asaba of Asaba, the Obi of Udumujuboko, and so many and so on, including our hero in Anioma, who is Osa Dennis. What were they doing it for? Are they selling us to the Southeasterners? You heard him saying that they have even concluded this in 2006 by Obasanjo administration. The conference that was supposed to give Obasanjo third term and also give us one more state to be zoned to the southeast. That chairman was heard by Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, who later became the Ohanese president. You heard him right. We have been saying it, but those who participated in it have said it with from the horse's mouth. So not be today they want to zone Anioma to southeast. Remember, it was Ibori that was our governor as of that 2006. Ibori, James Ononefe Ibori. But then, because they cancelled that constitutional conference, they did implement it because it will give Obasanjo third term. It was Article 40. That is how they cancel us having a state as of 2006. It would have been 20 years and Anioma have been existing. The equation have been balanced. All of you that are holding your phone now, because Facebook that we are using came out in 2010. So before Facebook could have come out, you have audacity to open your mouth, and your mouth go not long past my own to talk nonsense. You would have become an Igbo man by virtue of creating the state and zoning you to southeast without you participating in it. Before Kowa would have even known to be a governor, maybe a car governor, he would have been a governor under Anioma state. But today, you are playing politics with what are supposed to have favored all of us. We have opportunity once again. This is how we do it. You will now lose it again. Another set will start fighting for it again. Selfish interest. I said it time without number that ignorance is worse than COVID-19 pandemic. It is what is making us perish in this country and even in this case of identity crisis. Because when you don't know yourself, that means you are ignorant of who you are. After you find your core, you are playing politics. And these politicians send themselves, they don't send you. But you are here. Okwane is not Igbo. But you the name Oku Ane is now what? Let's even go by the name where you debut. Oku Ane is what? Is Okwane. But Igbo word it be. Now you come and tell me why you not insulting everybody in your video. Why won't I insult a Mugu? Why won't I call you an Iberibe if you are one? I should paint you, I beg you, your father left Nyash. Me beg you, say wetin dey happen. Feel like, no, see, you put think that if Anioma fail, you are doing against it, so that you come to internet and say, all this online state Anioma people, fail people. You're not doing to me. I'm already a successful person. By awakening many of you that are sleeping. That is the first intention. State creation is not what I'm thinking of when I started making video to correct the narrative that we're in the Igbo. That is the first thing. Anioma is just a political tool, which our forefather has been fighting for. So even if I die, other people will continue. But my deliberate intention, which I've succeeded, is to let everybody know that the entire Anioma is known as an Igbo region. Even though we find ourselves in Delta State. Because the state is not my tribe. There are more than 5 tribes in this state. So I can't be claiming Delta to be an Igbo state. But I'm an Igbo man in Delta State. That is where you lack knowledge. And even the state recognize it by gazetting all of us, the 9 local government to be Igbo, or 2 to be Soko, other one to be Shakiri, another one to be Ijo, and another one to be Urobo. But you wait to say you get sense, you get feeling, you hated yourself. Because I keep saying it, it's called self-hate. You hate who God made you to are. You made who nature has presented you to are. But you think you hated the Southeasterners Igbos. But you hate yourself because nature made you an Igbo man. See what the man is saying. That even when the Igbos deny Igbo, we the Aniomans have not denied Igbo. After they declared, go and use this Anioma and publish it, by the then default governor of the old Bende state, was one that gazetted Anioma to be another Igbo version, our own Igbo version. And they went and started publishing Anioma everywhere, left and right. It's not a tribe, but an acronym that have become our own identity and name to identify us. But inside us, we know who we are. Doesn't mean that Anioma has swallowed my identity of Anchubo? No. Has it swallowed my Enuan identity? No. Then how come you think that Igbo will swallow your Okwan identity? Or do you swallow your Eka identity? Look at the narrative the man gave. And which is true. In today, you ask an Igbo man, who are you? He said, I'm an Anambra person. Who asked you your state? I find it amusing sometimes when I ask this question, where are you from? You are telling me you are. Anambra is not where you're from. Anambra is just a yesterday creation. Your village is what I'm asking you. Are you from Ihamufu or you're from Agbo Ogugu? Ibonyi Mezowa. Are you from Nkanu? Kiwa Ugo? That is the question I'm asking you. Not your local government, not your state. Where are you from? I'm from Onchubo. I don't first tell you that. If you don't know where Onchubo is, then I start explaining. I don't know where Onchubo is. Okay, Onchubo is in a northern north local government in Delta State. But all of you now, if they ask an Igbo man, who are you? You first call his state. The state who you are. State is not who you are. My state is not who I am. I know that Nigerian government deliberately, instead of making tribal identity, they make state identity. That's why everybody is carrying state identity. That is what everybody is carrying. As an ID card, you feel Delta State. But state is not your tribe. It's not your origin. Because the name Delta can change tomorrow, which we are already fighting for. They feel grade the state Anioma and call the new Delta State another name. Maybe Wado State as they were proposing. So what happened to the old name? You start changing. So it's not your tribe, but your tribe will never change. Your identity will never change. Your village will never change. They can corrupt it, but they can never change. Onchubo will remain Onchubo till thy kingdom come. So when you ask me where I'm from, I should be able to tell I'm from Onchubo because that remains the origin. That is who I am, not the state. And that's what the man is saying. That even when every other person denied the Igbo identity, we retain it from Western Igbo to Midwestern Igbo to Bendel Igbo to today Delta Igbo. So how come you have been bearing all these things? Gen Z generation are now setting camera, using hate against themselves, thinking only making homo well. Don't think you are doing the Southeastern Igbos. Whether you great Anioma or not, they will still have their 6 states. They the one to be advantage, not you. They are the one they will still have a 6 states, whether you like it or not. Because the government is bent to give them 6 states. So whether they great Anioma or not, the people you think you hate will still benefit more than you. That is the pure truth. They are actually trying to help you become free. Be self-governed. Have your state and govern yourself by yourself. Have more than one senator. That is what they are giving you opportunity. That when you become a state, you cannot produce 3 senators. Have more than 3 House of Rep. And when you have a state, you cannot produce 9 House of Rep. Have more than 9 local government, so that some village that are dormant today can become the local government headquarters. And some of your children, your brothers, your uncle can become the new local government chairman. Because if you create new state, new local government, you have new local government chairman. You have new councillors. They are trying to help you establish economically, establish politically, bring government closer to you. They are not at disadvantage as you think. You are the one at disadvantage if you reject this offer. If you are playing politics with Okowa, a man who has taken 1.3 trillion for 8 years, pocket time, and you dey use your future, they play politics with the man. You hate Nwoko because you want to finish what our forefathers have started. But you do not hate the man who chopped your future 8 good years, pocket time. You don't hate him. Ozwai yawo bikebo. Ozwai. I don't like Okowa, but he's better than Nwoko. Yeah. You come and tell us all politicians are the same, but you have a choice. That means they are not the same. Once there's a comparison, they are not the same. Exactly. If you bring your pair of socks, left and right, they are the same. You don't choose one. Whether you wear this one for left or you wear this one for right, they are the same. You wear it. But once you start making comparison, I prefer the left than the right, then they're not the same. Because there must be a reason why one will be better when comparison. If all the politicians are the same, why are you choosing him? But you have a soft hate for a good thing that the man wants to do for you. You now start giving excuse. He wants to say, who won't buy you? How much do you want? All these kings that have lands and villages are not scared. Now you will not get one plot of land, they come online, they tell people say they want to dominate you. What do you have they want to dominate? If you are not dominating people that owns land, we'll be here to keep telling you this truth to your face, whether you like it or not. Truth must surely prevail. I'm out of here, Joe.